live plate Porsche Cayenne in for the pin code immobiliser, the CAN IMMO, and also a track manager S5 tracking system. So I'll quickly just show you the tracking system. With the S5 you get a driver ID tag. The idea is if the vehicle moves without this ID tag, you get immediately alerted, get phone calls. So this is pacified as insurance requirement, and also it's a great extra layer of security. One, you get to see where your vehicle is 24/7, and two, you get alerts and phone calls if the vehicle moves and you're not aware. So the CAN IMMO, free Bluetooth tag in a Faraday case, free case as well. We've got the spare S5 tag in there, but in the pack we get emergency override, you get spare battery for the tag, our contact details as well, so anything fails you've got everything available there to get yourself out of trouble. Let's show you the pin code works. So this one will start, vehicle then starts, but you cannot select gear. So if you see it's just bouncing back to neutral, cannot select gear. And then what we need to do now is obviously enter the customer's demo code. So enter the customer's code, we get a flash there, and now we can select gear. Nice and safely. Loads of buttons around on the network. Your dealer will show you the buttons available. There's buttons in center console, steering wheel, window switches, all sorts, mix match combinations are very secure. You make up your own unique code and it's changeable at any time. So if it's ever compromised, if you think someone's got your code, you can either change it by reading the manual or give us a call and we'll assist you to change your code. Interested in getting your vehicle secured? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.